So, mga kamasters, thank you very much to all those who attended our sales simulation seminar last May 9. I hope that nagustuhan ninyo ang mga shinare naming special sales insights doon and real world applications with videos during my time as system integrators to clients. Marami pong strategies doon. This time, we would like to invite you to the Masterclass by Bert Joseph Online Seminar 1 on June 20 and 21. Ito naman po ay nagtatakel ng business strategies in projects, specifically pricing, costing, discounting, negotiation, after sales, preventive maintenance services, dealership, CCTV stores, and of course, system integrations and sa solutions din. Join us! Thank you!